Hello everybody, Houston here. I hope you guys are doing well, having a great day or a great night. And before jumping into the charts, don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends and subscribe as well. And let's do it. So, first things first, just a second. Okay. So, yeah, XRP is doing great, fantastic. And first, let's take a look on a thing that we have been talking about, which is very key to understand. Um, so this guy right here, you guys remember the last video I talked about this. I don't remember the date, but no problem. Let's use this whole group here. Okay, so this was the big one we were waiting for, and you guys can see the last video I made about this back in the day. It was volatility before bull run. If I'm not wrong, it's the title. You can go into the channel, the Champions Club channel. You can look into the XRP playlist. You scroll down and you will see XRP volatility pre or before bull run, and you will see a full video about this. Very quick and simple video. Okay, so the big one came. So that's a lot of volume and price together. So it's big, huge move. When we talked about this, XRP was around 27 cents, if I'm not wrong, in the last update. And so, as you guys can see, you know I'm not the cycle guy. Just because it happened in the past, it must happen the same way again. No. But what we look at is the fundamentals. The fundamentals are always the same no matter what. So when we look at these scenarios, we look for the fundamentals. So the pattern or the behavior doesn't matter, because when it comes down to math, things have to, they are bounded. There are rules for the mathematical projections, also targets, for example, and price forecasts, etc., etc., and etc. So we can end up with a move like this one right here. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. This is not the C19. So we can end up with a move like this one. Yes, we can. But we have to remember that back in the day, this was price discovery, so new highs, nothing above. And right now, we are trading inside. What does it mean? This means that our bull break is still trading inside the previous high. So it's inside bar trading. And of course, we still don't have price discovery, even though we already have targets and key levels to watch from 3 all the way to, let's say, for example, 100, 300, 900, 1000, etc., etc. So our charts will be accurate all the way to 2024, 2025. And a thing that only a few people remember, we in the Champions Club were the only ones who charted price discovery with accuracy on Kava, Link, and I don't remember, I5 maybe? I don't remember now, but yeah, so I was watching closely the ones in price discovery to see how my method would behave on those assets, and we were spot on, jack of all trades. Okay, so back. So the volatility can happen in the same way, but we don't have technical evidence that we will keep going. Okay, we don't have, but it can happen. So it's a thing that we have to keep looking at day after day to see how this is going to play out. Okay, there is no other way so far, but yeah. So now let's go back into the here. So first thing, on the monthly, there is a big and power candle, which is great, is amazing, it's fantastic, and it is doing very well so far. We were able to take out the first one, the second one, the third one, and we are just about to take out the previous one right here, which is around the 7.6. 7.6? Yeah, I think so. Yes, so let's take a look on volume. Oh boy. That's the kind of thing we always are looking to see. Raging volume and price going up. That's all the way bullish. That's the kind of thing we have been talking about for a long time. Volume always precedes price. We had a surging volume, big bullish divergence. We are going to take a look again at it. And so the evidence, technical evidence, were piling up. And so that's when we knew that the thing was very close to happen. And that's also the range of our entry, because I shared a range for the entry in the public video, and in the Champions Club I shared the straight entry point, which we are going to take a look at as well. So now let's jump into the weekly, because on the weekly that's when we have amazing surprises. Let's start with volume. Yes sir, please. Yes, raging volume all over, with continuation. So volume keeps adding, which is fantastic, phenomenal. We could see this on the first, the second, the third, and the fourth. We still have 5 days to go here, so this last volume bar can still catch up, and I hope so. They keep going up, which is going to be fantastic. And now folks, the thing that only us talking about, only us were looking at and talking about for a long period of time, and was one of the clues of this amazing and phenomenal bull move, which is the bullish divergence in a tool that only a few people there are aware of, or they use or understand it, which is, yes, on balance volume. Yes. So folks, take a look at this. You guys remember we talked about this many times. The not only a bullish divergence, but the bullish divergence. This is something we don't see every day. So this is huge. This is big. Off the charts. Fantastic stuff. Very bullish. Very, all the way. So now let's take a quick look. So this small rejection here is not bad, actually, and not sorry, and also not bearish. It's healthy, and we are going to take a look at it, and I'm going to break this down. If you are not familiar with technical analysis, you will be able to understand it. So let's go into the 3 days. Yes. So just for you guys to have an idea before we jump into the smaller time frames, just for you guys to have a better understanding. So don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. So This small rejection, it's healthy. And why? Because inside this small rejection, we take, for example, people take profits, they cool off, they leave room for later bullish continuation, because we need space. We bulls and we bears, all of us, we need space to do our thing. So one of the reasons, for example, when we end up with a stop, like we end up with the one that I talked about at 0.069, and I don't remember, but I talked about this in the previous video. And right now we are at 6.6. So yeah, so we need something clear to continue going in. So in order for me to put my money in, I need something clear. Okay, I'm not talking about long-term investment. So what people call the bags, which is the investment capital long-term. So, but for people who are making day trade or swing trades, or even adding to their positions for the long term, doesn't matter the strategy, we need clear scenarios. And with the bears' help, we are able to do this. Okay, so the bears are very welcome. They are not our enemies, actually they are our friends. Yes. So now let's keep going. Let's take a better look. Just a second, let me see. Oh, the daily. Yes, let's go for the daily. Yes. So here on the daily, it's not the best scenario, the best candle, but it is a new candle, and we have to work with the candles we have. There's no other way. But I will tell you, this is not bearish, okay? Because if it was, I was going to tell you. But it's something that we have to keep one eye on, okay? So, and by the way, this candle in between here was a big bear trap, because we also talking about this, a lot of haters, short sellers, they was the first wave on the racket train. I talked about this in a video long ago about the first wave. That was the haters, short sellers, and we had something back in the day that was this. Every bad trader, every guy who ends up losing money, he goes to short XRP, because XRP was having very bad performance. So a lot of people were jumping in XRP to short. And also there are like people out there that hate XRP, but they are still profitable, good traders, good investors, top 88% people. And they hate XRP. So some of their followers were also net short or net selling XRP. So this was the first wave. And now the haters, they are somewhat in alert mode. Okay, so let's go for the 4. Let's go, sir, please. Yes. So this scenario right here was much better. Oh, just a second. Let's go back. Okay, so right here. So this was I made a video, and I told you guys this is it. This is the range that we have to do our stuff. And the long that I shared in the Champions Club was right here. 2080 or 2780, I don't remember, but was right in the middle of this little guys right here. And we made insane profits so far, insane profits, not to mention our long-term investment. So we are working both ways, the long-term and the day-to-day, which is not only about one day. It can be 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a friend who made 12,000%, a Champions Club member, 12,000% on XRP long. He's about to bankrupt the exchange. Amazing, amazing, amazing stuff. Another one made big gains. Big gains. And not long ago, someone said that if it was possible to, for example, make the money of a house, a lot of people would be doing this. But that's the thing. A lot of people are doing this in the wrong way. That's why only 8% win in the markets. And so, for example, you can buy a house in the United States, a good house, for like $50,000, $60,000. We are talking about people who made 75, 80, and $93,000 in a single trade. So yes, folks. Every time someone say to you, "Oh, you know, futures trade, oh, not a big deal," this person is clueless. Okay, just clueless. So back to the charts. This structure right here. So this one was amazing. This one here is a bit savage. It's not clear yet. We need a lot more time here to see how this is going to unfold, because this will be very important. Targets are measured in the size of structures, which is also about the size of candles as well. So I need more clarity here before we can talk about other targets, possible targets, etc. In order to have something more clear. But so far, it's looking great. It's looking fantastic. Sorry. And yeah, so this is the 4. Maybe we need more. Let me see. Maybe 3 days, 4 days here. Maybe it is also true that things can go wild again. From a sudden, it is possible, yes, but it's not in the chart. Okay, we read what is written, and what is here, we are able to make a better understanding of it when we have more information. So it's like I say, one step at a time. This is the most healthy approach we can have, especially in times like this. So no FOMO, no stress, and no overcharting. And one of the reasons I was absent, it's because I was sleeping only a few hours. I was overcharting, so working a lot, and stress starts to pile up. And this is very bad. It's like a stealth disease, which is start to get worse day after day. So I had to stop everything. I stopped Twitter, answering messages. I stopped making videos, stopped answering messages, because it consumes a lot of time, and I always try to answer all the messages. Okay, so folks, for now, that's what we have, is this, and this is not bad. Okay, at least not for now. So far it's looking fantastic. I'm enjoying what I see here, and I can tell you, it looks like, I don't, and forgive me, I don't remember the targets I shared in the previous video. I don't remember, sorry, but let's take a look. Is this you? Is this love? Not a feeling. This must be love. Okay, so this one, there you go. So you guys remember we talked about 55, the big boss. We took out 55, amazing. And then I talked about the pit stop at 69, and I don't remember, 69,500, whatever. The pit stop before bullish continuation. And so possible targets, which is going to be based on things that are not clear yet. So I'm speculating here, okay? before the big day, if possible, if clear, and if in time. I will try to make another video update so you guys don't miss this one out, okay? So 89, very likely. 1 and 10, 1 and 15. But there is a problem with 1 and 10 and 1 and 15. Why? Why, Houston? Why? Let's take a look at this. Why you're taking so long, sir? Please. Let's go, let's go. What is going on? Oh, it's probably a Bitstamp API. Very likely. Okay, folks, so I think the best approach here is on the weekly. So you guys will be able to see how I see it. Okay. So possible ways for this to happen. So new all-time highs. Okay, so far, of course, with every single candle, it's a new story. That's a thing a lot of people don't understand. So that's why we keep reading what's written, one step at a time. So the first approach that is the most popular that people are expecting, me particular, I'm not expecting, but if it happens, amazing, please, fantastic. It's a move like this, which is the slingshot. A more conservative move could be, which I believe it's more healthy. It's a move to here. Let's say 1, 9, 7, 2, 2, and 5, and then you go sideways for a while, and then let's go. Okay, I'm not going to talk about the targets for the upside move, not now. When the day comes and if it's clear, I am going to share the targets, all of them, so don't worry. So don't worry about a thing. And the other possible outcome is the same as gold, which can be the same for Bitcoin as well. Okay, so let's take a look at this. The same outcome as gold, it's something like this. Before bullish continuation. And there is a strong possibility for Bitcoin to behave in the same way, okay? So we need more evidence. So far we are speculating, but it's great. It's good to have multiple sides of different possible scenarios. So if they happen or not, we already have another plan to rely something else to work on, okay? And there is something else. Let me see what I'm missing here. Okay, so just a second. Bring me here. Okay. So yes. So our fight, the big fight, is going to start on $1. But so the thing is, we already have a trigger for 5. I talked about this. Oh, I just remember. Please, if you have time, check back my XRP playlist on the YouTube channel. You will find a video which is a comparison on XRP and gold. This video is very, very important. Why? XRP broke bullish in a bottom reversal structure just the same way gold did back in the day. It was almost the same scenario, very, very close. And it is very, very important. Why? Because we can use gold information and data as well to forecast and have a better understanding on XRP. Okay, so if you have time, take a look on that video. You will learn a lot of things as well. So back to the nest guys here. which is 89, as you guys saw. Let's take a quick look here. 89, 89, 89 right here. So don't worry about a thing. Yes, so 89 first. And here's the thing. We have 89, and then we have 987, 0987. So again, 089, 0987, and then 1. In these three levels, you guys be certain of this. A lot of haters and smart bears will be waiting for us there. But we can work our way out of it. Yeah, so yeah. And if we are able to make a straight move up, it is going to be fantastic, because we are going to liquidate a lot of people, and these liquidations are going to fuel the fire for more upside move, which was exactly the same thing that happened right here, which we also talked about as well. So this is going to be a key. Let me see if I am able to do this properly. Just a second. 87. Yes, very close. So let me see if I can put this in a different way. Okay, so here it is. Right here. Haters, smart bears, fools, all sorts of people will be looking to short XRP on this range. But the good news is, give me a clear picture here, and I am going to do my stuff. Yeah, so not only me, we, the Champions Club, and a lot of other bulls, we are going to work our way out of this range. That's what we are looking for, and we are working for it. Yes, so yeah, looking good, looking great. Yes, so 27 minutes long video, fantastic. Folks, thanks again, thanks for your time, thanks for your patience, thanks for your support as well. Don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, subscribe. As you guys see, the channel is having no follow through at all, and yeah, so it's up to you to help me to make this channel bigger, and so this way we can reach more people. The higher number of people we can reach, less number we will have misinformed out there. Okay, so thanks again. I will keep you updating with any news, and I will see you guys soon. Stay safe and see ya.